Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I will teach you exactly how to watch Netflix in any other region or country. So let's just begin. So you can see I have my Netflix over here, and if I simply want to search for any show, like for example The Judge, so it might not be showing up in here, and that is because we have some restrictions and we cannot see any show similar to that. So how you can actually find it is by using your, let me just skip this. All right, so you need to head over to your NordVPN, and you can do that by using the link in the description below. So head over to that and you will be getting 70% off onto your NordVPN subscription. So once you have it done, you need to go back to your Netflix, and you need to be making sure that you jump to the region that you're intended to. Like for example, from extension you can use a different region. Let's just say we have our multiple countries in here, so you can see pretty much every part of the world it covers. So you can see once you connect it to that, all you need to do is simply refresh your Netflix and boom, you will get that show. And that's how easily you can watch Netflix in any other country and get your shows as well. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.